Guys, nasin magenta ko.
Where's negative? Negative, dun siya sa spring.
Sige.
Ay, ang galing.
Wait lang ha. Itong dollars is... Anong dollars to?
Yung red, the wire will connect to the
Yes.
red one.
Ano? Mami, anong dollars to?
Black.
Dollars.
Anong dollars?
Yung ano money, diba? Ano?
Dollars?
Oo.
Anong dollars?
Yung dollars, magkano?
Ah, magkano yan? That's only 189 pesos. That's not dollar. Pesos.
Galing to sa Shopee, mami.
Sa Shopee lang yan. Oh. Sabihin mo, ipuput mo yung red wire sa connector. Sa red connector. And then, put the other side, the red wire in the red connector. Ang galing. Oh, what's next?
First we need is black.
The black wire. You need to connect the black wire to the black connector. Dapat pag gagawin yan, may kasamang matanda, no, kuya?
Oo, pag naghulog yan yung auto.
Magbabasag.
Oo,
Tsaka, para hindi makokuryente.
Dapat auto mo, bawal mo, pag ganyan lang, open lang, habang pag yung auto, open lang, dilim to gising, ano yan, sasabog na yan.
Sasabog. Pag mali yung connect mo, masisira or
Sasabog.
baka sumabog yung bulb, no?
Kasi mali sila yung color.
Dapat tama.
Oo.
What's next?
Ito tama to eh.
Ayan. Reserva yan, no? Para pag nabasag, merong kapalit.
Kanina nabasag yung isa, diba? Kaso meron pa tayo.
Oh, what's next?
Ay.
I'll help you. Oh no.
Ganun. Dito pala yun. Ay, hindi.
Di ba dapat magko-connect to? This one, the red and this one.
Hindi. Ay, oo nga.
Oh, remove that one. Remove the red one.
Black and black.
No, that's okay.
Hindi. Ikabit.
Ah, hindi siya sa red. Yan, that's correct. Yan, okay. So the black wire will connect to the connector. Oops.
Yung ano, ito. Red and black.
Hindi, this one. This one is the red. This one is the black, right?
Oo. Ay, baliktad pala ako.
Tama na yan. Oh, that's correct na. I'll help you. Okay na? This one. Ito, extra din to. Extra wire. This one. Red. This black.
Yung asa ba red dito? Before 1, 2.
Oh, that's another,
Hindi, mami.
extra wire.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dapat 6 sila. Dapat may kulang dito. Dapat red pa.
Hindi, tama na to. Oh, tingnan mo. This is the extra one. Dito, tama na. Oh.
Oo.
Okay na. Galing na ni Kuya.
Ay,
Mm.
ito lang.
Oops. Yan. Ay.
So,
The red. The red one. Another
the
one.
red. Switch, asa na?
Hindi, ito pa oh.
Ah,
Tapos ito na i-switch mo.
ito. Wait lang. Ito na pwede naman to isa.
Okay. Wow. Ooh, galing. Oh, try to turn off the light.
Lights.
Wow. Isa pa, another one. Turn it off. Donut shot. Wow.
Wow.